here we are with the table, and we've got it mostly cleaned up. There's just a couple of pieces of debris lying around as we're still working on this. We found that the rack has a little bit of a problem. So between the rack and the pinion, they've been wearing quite a bit, especially in this area right here. The rack is completely worn to a point, and it's pushed the burr back out this way. So I'm going to use some files, file down the burrs, remove any burrs to keep it from continuing to damage the pinion, and at a later date we'll pull this back off and get it cleaned up. We'll probably build a new rack. You can see it starts to hit on that tooth right there. I need to lift the board out from underneath it. I've got it balanced on the board. I may have to use a small grinder on this. No, that's cut in it. You can see I'm just cutting right down there on the tops of these teeth that have rolled over. Right here where we have a little bit of shine, and it comes up and you can see underneath the tooth, and it has almost an inverted V type shape. We're wanting to get rid of that inverted V to clean up the surface so there's not a rolling burr that can bend and flex into the pinion any more than what's already been done. And then on the tops of these, on the back side, they're relatively flat on the top, but on this front side, it's where it's rolled up into that peak, and that we'll do the same thing now. Make that corner. All right, we're going to blow it off and take a quick look. I think that'll be just fine. We'll get the piece that mates up with it. Let you guys see what's going on with that. So here's the mating pinion. You can see down here where the teeth have also gotten rolled back in the way that the same way that this has been. And I think, let's take a look at it this way. So what's been happening is the teeth have only been engaged what appears to be only on this back edge. So it is going to be possible for us to possibly turn this pinion around to get better engagement. And I think that'll be okay. I don't hear anything that's out of the ordinary now. In fact, we're going to continue cleaning off the rest of this table. Get it back on the machine, get it lubed up, get it back on the machine, and we'll carry on with putting it back together.